Alright guys, this is a test run to see how the new camera angle is pointed. So we'll see if it's pointed far enough forward. It looks like it's pointed straight now. I want to give a shout out to Wanna Ride Bikes for showing me how to fix the camera angle. I just used a J-hook clip, so it tilted it up farther compared to the flat mount. Can't wait to go mountain biking tonight. Gonna get some awesome footage since I kind of know the trail now and that. So we're gonna pull up here now, back up top, see how the angle is. All right, peace.